Hi, my lovely people. You are welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, please subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you not miss any of my video. Thanks for clicking on this particular one. I'm just feeling myself. The weather is fine. My sister has gone to work, and my neighbor has come to take my baby to her place. So I'm freaking so happy and I'm enjoying myself. But my husband is here with me. I want to turn the camera to show you what he is doing. He will soon leave the house, but before he leave the house, he got some little work to do. So guys, so I'm just feeling myself. So this is exactly what my husband is doing. This thing you are seeing is medicine. Fever, typhoid, malaria, indigestion, in fact, any kind of fever or any kind, no matter how strong that illness is, this is going to calm it down. It's all, or you know how agbo is now. Some of you that don't joke with natural herbs, because in my family we don't joke with herbs. We drink herbs a lot. In fact, before we take anything like breakfast, we drink herbs. So guys, this one is not for boiling, we is not for cooking. So once you do it this way, you put it in a rubber can like this, then you add your water, not just ordinary water again, you add pap water. So that is akamu water. So guys, so that is it on that. Thank you so much if you have watched to this extent, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for more videos guys. So that is it on that. And as for my returning subscriber, you guys are the best. So this is the pap water, which is akamu water. So once you get your akamu water, you full it, you full the rubber to the top, yes, then you cover it and leave it to ferment. Then the next day, which is tomorrow morning, then you now begins to take it, and it's going to do the amazing, the magic in your system. So that is it on that. This pap water, I make pap yesterday for my baby, so this is the water we are using now to fill it in. So you don't just use ordinary water. Okay, so that is it on that. So guys, if you don't have, hi guys, good morning. We are making pap this morning for breakfast. Yeah, the sun is much. Oh. This one, the sun. This is 7:30. So guys, let's do it together. Yeah. So guys, my water is on fire now. So once the water started boiling, I'll be putting akamu. I'll be cutting it into smaller parts, and I'll be putting it inside guys. I don't know if you have taken this kind of pap before. You use it to make seed, okay, so that there will be seed inside the akamu. So when you are taking it with sugar, even though you don't have milk, you enjoy taking it. So guys, I decided to do it this way because I'm the one that prepare or make the akamu myself, okay. So that is it. That is why I'm doing it this way. So guys, there is something I want to tell you guys, a quick one guys. After I finish this breakfast, I will be bringing out all our dirty clothes to watch, and after that I'll be going to the markets, okay, because I've been craving for stew. You all know how tomato is in the market, so you know how tomato is in the market today. So but I can't eat money and I can't use money to make stew, so I'm be going to the market after everything to go buy the tomatoes. So that is it. I've already made the pap, and this is the seed that I'm talking about guys. You need to try this and let me know in the comment section that you have tried it. You are going to love it. So that is it on that guys. It's not only me that have been craving for stew, even my sister have been on my neck. I want to eat stew, I want to take stew with white rice and all of that. So guys, this is the dirty cloth guys. I can't lie you, it has been long I eat stew with rice. Yeah, it has been long. So guys, I've started washing the clothes. I've started watching it, guys. There's something I want to say, quick one. Guys, have you noticed the low views on YouTube? The low views. Guys, I can't lie, it's really, really discouraging. I don't even know what to do. At time, I'll be thinking to myself, all the mobile data that I've been buying, and after uploading, you make video, you edit, you upload, then you get two views, three views, 5 views, 10 views. And at times I'll be also saying to myself, no matter what, I'll keep on uploading because I will not give up on the streets. I have come a long way for me to give up because really know what I passed through before I could get monetized and all of that. Guys, when I get to the market, see what surprised me most. These two tomato you are seeing is 1,000. That is 500. I buy it from different person. You know why? Because I want to know if the other woman that sell it know what she's doing. So I buy from the other woman close to her, and that woman says 500, and I say give me 500. So these two tomato now is 1,000. Imagine. The thing surprised me because as at last time that I bought tomato from the market, they give me 7 tomato 900 naira. And this onion you're seeing, I bought it 500. So this tomato inside this rubber now is 1,000. And this pepper on top is 300. God. Like four seed of pepper that time now 200. I don't know if it is up to four sef, I don't know. 200 naira. And this pepper now 300. So I don't know how it is in your area. Let me know in the comment section. See tomato like this is all 1,000. So I'm washing it now to take it to engine. So this my stew wey I wan eat now don set. Like say today wey I wan enter market buy tomato, everything just come down like that for me. Like guys, I'm so happy for this. So guys, I will not be putting all of this pepper because my baby has started trying out food. So I don't put too much pepper in my food. And this my tomato already washed, taking it to engine, and I'm back. My groundnut oil is on fire using charcoal stove outside. Yeah, I'm using charcoal stove, and I'm turning my onion inside the oil. Guys, there's something I noticed these days. Even the gas have reduced. I don't know if it is like that in your area. So guys, this is my tomato. Guys, I want to use this opportunity to encourage us. Okay, this thing that is happening on YT on YouTube is not happening to only one person. It's happening to everybody, both young, big and small YouTuber. All we need to do is to keep pushing, keep uploading, keep putting out content. Then one day YouTube algorithm will locate our channel because this suffering will be here. The only thing wey dey even pay me sef na the editing part. To put videos together, guys, is not easy. That is it. So guys, this is my tomato. I decided to put 3 sachets of tomato. I add it so that the stew will be stewing. It's giving now. Bye. See you in my next video.